It is low.
This is the engine that we're going to be putting in the C5. It's, I already forget what Tyler just told me it was. It's a
Tommy Genesis SR20.
Tommy Genesis SR20. I was going to say Hyundai Genesis. This should be a good motor for the Vette. Makes some good power. Makes 300 horsepower more than the V8 that's in it now. Hopefully it won't break as much. Now the funny thing is this has an ATI super damper on it, and that's what I just put in the Vette. Is that move or a trick? Trick. What is going on, you guys? Welcome back to DriveHub, and in today's video, we're finally actually lowering the C5 Corvette. It's finally actually happening, probably because I'm not doing it myself this time. Quick little recap, if you guys remember, God, it's gotta be 4 months ago now. I tried to lower the C5 on the factory lowering bolts. That seems to be a reoccurring theme in my life as of recently, actually. Failure. Anyways, both front bolts stripped. There was nothing else I could do. So right now, we're on our way to Northeast Auto Imports. And no, not because I'm going to drive some bad RX-7 or Nissan Skyline. They also do servicing. So they're gonna be throwing in the new VMS Racing lowering kit. Shout out to VMS Racing for absolutely hooking it up today. I'll include a link to the lowering kit that I'm gonna use down in the description below. If you're curious if I'm filming and driving right now, absolutely not. That's dangerous. This, of course, is all a green screen. I'm just getting really, really good at editing. Which one?
He's doing it.
I am. Oh, ladies and gentlemen, say hello to Tyler.
Tyler
Bergeron.
Tyler
Bergeron. He is the man of the hour, going to be installing the lowering kit. Are you as excited as I am? No way.
I don't know.
Should be easy. I just it up because I'm an idiot. Great job, Ty. Excellent. Everything is going smoothly so far. You should keep the stance like that. I like that kind of wheel gap. It's like a full
Off-road Corvette.
So this is the VMS Racing lowering kit. As I said, it's good for C5 and C6 and C7 Corvettes. There's the instructions. We don't need those because we have Tyler the professional right here. That's right. So here's the actual lowering kit all out of the box. These longer bolts are the rear ones. Of course, grade 8. It comes with polyurethane bushings. The front ones are CNC machined and they're articulating. So these shouldn't make the Corvette ride like shit afterwards. That's why I went with these ones, because this is one of the only kits that comes with articulating bolts like that. So these ones are stainless, of course, and these pads at the bottom are made of Delrin. I think that's what it's called. That's actually the same material that my C5R shift knob in there is made of. But as I said, these are articulated so that they travel around smoothly and they don't make any clanking sound. So in the rear of these bolts, we'll be able to lower it 1 inch. With these new bolts in the front, it says it can go down 1.5 inches. I don't know how much we're gonna lower it. We might have to make some adjustments because my tires do fit pretty snug to the wheel well. There's not a whole room to play around there. Tyler, what did you just tell us you were gonna put on your steak and cheese sub? Steak and cheese. One more time, ketchup?
Ketchup and mayo.
What's wrong with you? What's wrong with you?
Boy, have you lost your mind, because I'll help you find it.
It doesn't make any damn sense. Woo!
What is wrong with you? What do you think about this? Do you? Ketchup.
Likely serial killer. Comments.
You what?
I'll watch the comments on this video. We need to have a debate on ketchup and mayo.
All right, we're gonna debate in the comment section, guys.
Steak
ketchup,
cheese, that's okay or not?
on your steak and cheese sub.
Serial killer.
That's nasty. And he doesn't have the air gun, so he can't keep firing it off. No.
Take that away.
didn't mess up the fiberglass because we were supposed to put much heat around the fiberglass, so.
I held this time.
So, the nut we welded on this time actually stuck. I don't know if you guys can see that. The entire metal sleeve that goes up into the spring itself came out. It came out with the whole entire bolt. Let's try it. Would you put ketchup on your steak and cheese sub?
Absolutely not.
How about you?
Nope.
Ketchup on your steak and cheese sub?
Emily.
Would you put ketchup? No. Huh. How about you, Derek? No.
Well, I did.
What do you say,
This is it now.
psychopath? Watch for this guy in the news. How about you? Would you do it? Oh. She's like, what is this? On this side, we're going to be doing the exact same thing that we did to that side. We're just going to cut the bottom pad right off with a cut-off wheel, weld a giant nut to it, and pull it out and hope that the whole entire sleeve, the threaded sleeve, doesn't come out with this one. Here she goes.
Another one almost down.
All right, mechanic, why don't you explain what we're doing now? We're lubing it up?
Yeah, we're lubing her up.
KY jelly? Oh, I'm sorry, that's grease.
It's cherry. You want to try?
I'm pretty sure they're.
Cheese.
So the passenger side one is in. We're leaving like ½ an inch of thread at the top. Or no, is it ½ an inch of,
At the bottom.
at the bottom?
The washer and the spring.
All right, so ½ an inch between the washer and the spring right there. We have it all lubed up with KY jelly, grease. And now we're waiting for this side for the epoxy to settle in. And we can put in this side.
Environment.
Did this one actually come out as it was supposed to?
More or less. Look at that.
Wow. Holy crap. It actually came out like it was supposed to. Wow. I think I got him yelling. That's a massive bolt. So that's how it's supposed to come out. Yikes.
Bounce it
Got
into the
steel
wheel.
toe loops on. It literally fell out.
The backside's a little bit better, I suppose.
Just a little bit. I mean, we've been back here for all of
10 seconds.
Has it even been 5 minutes and we already have one side in? And the front, it took us 2 hours? That's nuts. So mechanic, the fronts are in, both the backs are in. Is it time yet to drop it and see how it looks?
Almost. I just gotta adjust the rear before we drop it to be the right height.
Damn, boy!
Trying to work out here.
Yeah, I'm so mad you did that. What the hell, man? Come on. This is a serious instructional video.
Don't come into my shop anymore.
Go home.
Bye, Derek.
Good boss.
Try that out. Put the wheels on and see how it sits.
I can't wait. I'm honestly so excited. I tried doing this project in June. In like June, I had this thing up in the air trying to do this. And then couldn't do it, got the lowering bolts, and then that's when I started having mechanical problems, and now it's here. And it's going to be lowered. Watch it not even do anything. That would be a good problem, I guess.
Yeah.
Damn, boy! Damn.
Probably
There was something about it having to settle or something.
Yeah, probably need to roll it.
Wow, that's huge. Looks like a monster truck. But the back is definitely lower. What do you think? That back is definitely lower. Oh yeah, that's definitely lower. So the back, I mean, the front is sitting wicked high. I remember when I did this in my driveway that it also looked like this when I dropped it down, even though I didn't adjust anything. I remember seeing something about the monolith has to settle or something. We're gonna move the car around and see if we can get to go down at all at the back. Might actually have to raise a little bit because I put on spacers when I did the C6 wheels, and well, tire is very, very flush with the fender here, so if I were to hit a bump right now, I mean, there's like room for barely 2 fingers under there. That's what she said. So we might actually have to go up a little bit in the back. So we're gonna put the car back up in the air, try to raise the back, and try to drop down the front. Derek is hiding from Do we have to actually take the wheels off to adjust it now?
do that from just under the vehicle.
He's got some angle, boy.
That's the problem when you go knuckles. Seems more track.
Oh yeah, she's hitting. Oh yeah. So you're just measuring it based on turns right now?
Yep. Going down equal turns on. I'm doing 4 half turns.
4 half turns.
So we'll try that in the front.
Wow.
I need to do the power of guesstimation.
The power of guesstimation. 5 short bursts?
5 Ugga-Duggas? No,
5
we'll
Ugga-Duggas?
measure it with a tape measure and micrometer to make sure they're even.
5 Ugga-Duggas and 5 Ugga-Duggas on this side.
Yep. To be as scientific about this as possible. This
Precision mechanic.
seem to be about even.
Wow, so 5 Ugga-Duggas each
Yep.
was actually very scientific.
Another roll for the parking lot.
All right, drop her down.